What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I am Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we are going to be doing a bag review slash first impression slash unboxing of my Teddy Blake Ava bag. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so real quick before I even get into the bag, I just want to tell like a really quick story because I was actually looking at Teddy Blake bags, the Ava ones to be exact, because I was like, I wanted to get another bag, but I wanted something like really sturdy, like, you know what I'm saying, a very structured bag. So I was looking at the Teddy Blake bags, and I have a new phone, but in my old phone I had a luxury wish list, kind of a like album comprised of like all of the things that I feel are expensive, so therefore they are a luxury. And I had a Teddy Blake bag in there. So it was crazy to me when they contacted me and said they wanted to gift me a bag. I was just like, God, I see you. I see what you're doing. I see how you worked this out. Okay, so they did gift me this bag and send it over to me, but I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions kind of a video slash review, because I will be giving my opinion on the bag and I will be showing you what fits inside of this bag. Okay, so let's get into it. So here is the bag in all of its glory. I will insert right now me unboxing the bag so we could just get into the specifics and the details of the bag.
This bag was packaged so nicely and I really appreciate that. I didn't have to put in a special request or anything like that. It just came beautifully packaged and I appreciate that. So it comes wrapped in bubble wrap inside of a dust bag, which is like a linen texture, and this bag is just beautiful. Okay, so this is the Teddy Blake Ava Croco Gold 9-inch bag in camel brown, and it is stunning. Okay, I am obsessed with this gold hardware. Like, this bag is just such great quality. It's made of 100% Italian leather. It is handcrafted. It is just beautiful. It has feet, which I'm obsessed with. Okay, and I just love the texture. That was something that I really wanted with my next bag. I wanted it to have some texture going on, so I'm just obsessed with this bag. And I have a coupon code if you want to purchase. I will put it on the screen for you to check it out. You get $30 off. So yeah, I'm just really excited to have this bag in my collection. She is absolutely gorgeous.
But now, here, look at this beautiful bag. So I first and foremost am obsessed with this color. I love this color. You already know. You already know. These types of colors are my favorite, okay? And this is in the croco texture. I believe that's how it's said, croco. And this is in the color camel brown. And I just love the color in contrast to like the gold hardware. It is beautiful, okay? This bag is very sturdy and structured. I love that. It has feet on it, which I also love, because then when you sit your bag down, you don't have to worry about anything getting on it because it has the feet on it, which elevates the bag a little bit. So I really love that. I do feel like this bag looks nice crossbody, and you can wear a top handle as well, which I love. It's nothing better than a versatile bag that could be worn dressy, but you can also wear it like casual too. It does come with the lock and key here, and it has like the Teddy Blake branding on it, if you can see. But for me, I don't want it on the bag. I like the way it looks like this without the lock and the key, but you do have that if you like that look and you want it on there. For me, I don't want it like that. I like it like this. I love the way it looks like this, just very sleek. This does come with a crossbody strap, and I love that, like, you don't have to worry about the ends popping out. This is a very structured loop, so it keeps it in place so it can look nice and sleek. You know, I told you in my Marc Jacobs the tote bag review that was kind of like, well, I actually said that in my Coach pillow tabby bag review, but it was pertaining to the Marc Jacobs the tote bag, that I just hated that this little loop thing to keep the strap in place was very loose and not structured at all, so the strap just kind of flaps around, and I hate the way that looks because it doesn't look sleek. So I love that this is nice and structured. So it has like the holes for you to adjust as well if you need to. Okay, so let's get into the inside. This is just what the inside of the bag looks like. It is lined with suede and it feels very, very luxurious. That's the perfect way to like sum this up. If you really want to feel like you have a great quality luxury bag but you didn't break the bank, then this is like the type of bag for you, because this just feels so luxurious, from its structure to like the feel of the leather, the inside of the bag, the hardware, like the packaging, like it just feels top tier. Okay, but back to the inside of the bag. So it has a zipper at the back, and then it has a little pocket back here as well, and then also on the back it has a pocket too, and then like the Teddy Blake right here, which I think is just really, really cute. Now this is a small bag, but it's not like super tiny, so I really do feel like I could fit a lot of stuff in here. So let me go get my little pouch that I usually take from to like put other stuff into my bag. So let me get that and let's see what we can fit in this bag. Okay, so always gotta have my card holder. This is the YSL card holder. It's pretty bulky, so we're gonna pop this in here. We're gonna put a hand sanitizer in here, and I'm gonna be realistic because I'm gonna put stuff in here that I would really like carry. I don't really carry a lot of stuff in my bags that I wear when I'm going out because I don't need all of that stuff. Hand cream is really not much of nothing in here, but this is like a little mini Kayali fragrance. But I would typically have like a mini fragrance. Blistex. I will also have my lip gloss and my face powder and a brush. So let me go get that. Oh, my cuticle oil. Gotta have my cuticle oil. Cuticle oil, which I feel like I probably should put in a Ziploc bag, putting it in here because I don't want it to ruin the inside of the bag. But let me get my makeup brush, my face powder, and my lip gloss. And that will be like the only things that I'll put in here. Okay, so for fun, I'm going to put my keys in here as well. This is just my keys. I got my mace on it, my car key, the fobs to my apartment, mailbox key, and the key to my grandmother's apartment. I have my lip gloss, face brush, face powder. It's still so much room in this bag, it's not even funny. But everything fits in here with no problem at all. If I really needed to, I would like put my wet ones in here. And if it was that time of the month and I was carrying this bag, I could fit like what's the name in here, and a wipe, because it's still just so much room. I love that. But it looks so teeny tiny, but it fits a lot. Okay, and then we're gonna close it, and no issue at all, and it still looks very nice and structured, and everything fits. I didn't have to force anything. I love that. I will say though, it feels kind of heavy now. So I don't know if I would like keep all of this stuff in here because it just feels kind of heavy. Like my keys, I probably wouldn't like have my keys in here. It just feels pretty heavy, but I love this bag. I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to like play around with it. I'm wearing it today, so I'm excited to just show her off, you know. Okay, so real quick, I just wanted to show like the little outfit that I have on with this bag, because this bag is very much so classy, sophisticated. It's giving chic, it's giving posh, it's giving all of that. So I just have on like my little two-piece suit and this bag. I think it will also look cute crossbody, so let me show you that. Okay, look, Ma. no hands. So now we have it crossbody, and it looks very much so cute like this as well. This is just giving the girls class, sophistication. Okay, I love it. I live for it. It is super, super cute. This bag is bomb. I will leave links down in the description box for you to check it out. Thanks so much to Teddy Blake for sending me over this bag. I truly appreciate it. I love her. She is beautiful, okay? So I'm so grateful. But yeah, y'all, let me know down in the comments what you think. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. And I'll catch you in the next one.